Masarap.
Mm-hmm.
There's more Queeling.
Yeah.
Queeling!
Enjoy, Mama. Bon appetit.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Looks very nice.
Thank
Smells
you.
very nice.
Shall I put chili?
Later for you can put chili.
Sorry guys, wala ako sa camera kasi ang laki ng pimples ko. Biglang tumubo. Ganito talaga pag in love ka sa asawa mo eh. Nakakita ka na naman ng pagkain dyan sa bagay mo, ha? Saan mo kinuha yan dito? Bulsa? Yeah? Sus! Downstairs. O, go na doon. Sige na. Samahan daw ako ni Ella. Saglit, lakantayin mo ko. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon lalo siya na natirang snow guys. Ang liit na lang ng snow. Ayan, natuyo na. Manipis lang kasi yung snow nakaraan na bumagsak. Kaya, ayan. Pero at least na-enjoy niya pa rin. Yeah! What is it? Ang cute mo talaga, El. Pupunta nga pala kami kanito. Yeah! Oo na! Chuk. Ah, make like this. Chuk. Wala akong gloves eh. Ikaw lang eh. Yan. Chuk.
Dad, how about you?
Iyok niyan, wala ka malamig. Pupunta nga pala kami kayo nito kasi wala na kaming rice guys. Malakas na sila sa kanin ngayon, no? Kulang na yung lagi kong binibili. Kalain nyo yun. So, hindi natin ma-perfect yung ating chicken tocino na lulutuin. Kung walang rice, syempre. So, kailangan natin magluto ng rice kasama ng ating chicken tocino. So, para na rin silang Pilipino ngayon mga pre kasi nga hindi na rin kompleto yung pagkain na minsan pag walang rice. So, bibili kami ni Ella. Samahan niya daw ako. Si Timmy naman ay medyo masama na naman ang pakiramdam dahil nga sa sipon-sipon guys. Totoo lang, malamig talaga dito ngayon. Kaya kailangan todo ingat. Kompleto sa vitamins. Tapos, kain kami ng prutas palagi. Yung kinukaula yung orange saka yung apple. Yung lagi namin binibili. Kailangan kasama ko ngayon. Okay ka lang dyan, Ella? That's good? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Punta si Ella. Malapit na tayo. Konti na lang. Yeah. Yeah. Katawid na tayo, Ella. Konti na lang. Oh, laki Ella. Malaki. Gracias. Tandaan lang, baka maipit tayo. So ayan Ella, nandito na tayo sa neto. So balikan namin kayo mamaya guys ha. Bili lang muna kami ng aming rice. Okay, palabas na kami ng neto. Okay na Ella? Da. Ito nang bili ni Ella sa kanya. Yan na lang pili mo ha. Ito sa akin yung pop-up. So meron na tayo itong rice guys. At saka yung chicken natin. Pang luto natin ng chicken inasal. Ayan, awa ng Diyos. Maluto natin ng masarap mamaya yung ating pork tocino. Yeah, Ella, gusto mo pork tocino? Busy ka. Dito na tayo. Baba ka muna kayo, mabigat ka. Hilain lang natin to. Tandaan lang. Okay. Tandahan lang. Ano sabihin mo kay Papa? You're welcome. So ganito ko lang hinihila yan guys, yung ating stroller pagpaakyat. Yeah? Ano yun?
This is red.
Yeah, that is root.
Awa.
Okay. Ayan, andito na tayo. So magluluto na tayo. That's why Kimi is still on the recovery guys. Bumabalik-balik yung kanyang ubosipon. Kaya nagkakaroon siya ng sinat. So ngayon dito lang siya kay mama niya natutulog. Ayan, nag-Diyos sana mag-full recover na siya. No? Nito? And baby Adam also making rest to mama. Ayan guys, makita nyo. Okay, is now. Ganda. Nakikita ba sa video? Maybe. Look, ganda Ella? Kaya, nandiyan na sa bintana. Bagay na bagay ngayon, magluto ng soup. Aniko? You like sotanghon soup?
Of course.
Chicken
I like,
sotanghon soup?
I like everything that
Wait, that's
You like everything?
the
Okay, no problem. I will try my best to make a very nice sotanghon soup.
Oh, nice.
Bagay na bagay sa panahon. Ayan guys. Eh, dumami na oh. Nakainom na ng gamot si Timmy, asawa ko?
Yeah, he had already medicine.
Thank you.
Like
dear. Mhm.
1 hour ago or something like that. Now he's sleeping nicely.
Yeah. This is the big difference when you live in the cold part of the world.
Yeah, winter is always
Winter
time
is
to
always
get sick.
get sick, no? Sa Pilipinas naman pag nandun sila guys ay they're always sweating. And then syempre naka-aircon sila sa Pilipinas. Paglabas naman nila may konti silang sipon. Niko. Dapat magluluto ako ng ng pork tocino. Kaya lang si Timmy nga medyo masama yung pakiramdam. So baguhin na lang natin yung menu natin. Okay lang sa'yo? Kahit na alam kong gusto mo ng pork tocino ngayon. Okay na sa'yo na
It's
chicken.
okay, we can make it tomorrow.
Yeah. No, okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Luto naman ako. Malamig. Sarang yan. Naglalaro siya ng snow guys. Ayun, nalalaglag. Sarang mo naman. Wala kang panlamig ko. Mamaya magbalik na naman yan sakit mo. Kulit. Oh my goodness. Buti na lang pala nakabili ako ng manok kanina guys. Ayun o. Ito yung ating pang chicken inasal sana. So, gagamitin ko muna siya pang natin, chicken sotanghon soup. Tapos meron din tayo dito mga leftover na gulay. So, tara, luto tayo ng ating chicken sotanghon soup. Nakaraan chicken gisado. Ngayon naman, bagay ito sa kanilang mga sipon-sipon. Alright. I-prepare muna natin yung ating mga gulay. Andyan nga pala yung midwife ni Baby Adam. Every week siya dito bumibisita para i-consult kung okay naman si Adam. Chine-check yung timbang, yung kanyang height, kung okay pa, lumaki, lumagtag, kung lumiit. Ganyan. So, ganito sa Germany, no? Sila yung pumupunta, hindi yung ikaw yung pupunta doon sa, sa clinic para magpa-check up. Diba? Napakaganda. So, ngayon, tapusin ko lang muna ito. Hello, Ella! Naku, mag-alas 3 na pala. Kailangan kong madaliin ito, guys. So, nandito pa lang tayo sa pagbabalot ng itlog pugo. May nakita pala ako sa nito na isang balot ng itlog pugo. Ayan, binili ko na agad. Tapos, nilaga natin. Dito nga pala, guys, madalang sila magluto. Lalo si mama at papa. Halos hindi na sila nagluluto. Normally, magluluto sila pag, Saturday, Sunday, ganyan. Pagkain na pinibili namin, more on yun yung kinakain nila. So, ganun lang ang buhay namin dito sa Germany. Alright, naka-prepare na yung ating mga sangkap para sa ating chicken sotanghon soup, guys. So, meron tayo ditong manok. Siyempre, yung ating sotanghon, ating Chinese cabbage, onion, celery, pampadagdag ng bango, mamaya, yung ating carrots, at yung ating itlog pugo na nadali na ni Ella at Timmy. At siyempre, yung ating cabbage, salt and pepper, and then yung ating anato oil, and yung ating bawang. Tapos, meron na rin tayo ditong inaantay na uminit na mantika. So, sisimulan na natin. Let's go! Ayan, mainit na yung ating mantika. So, i-fry na natin itong ating chicken. Okay. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung magugustuhan ito ni Timmy at saka ni Ella. Hindi na mama at papa. Pero malaga, malutuan natin sila ng soup na pwede magpagaling ang kanilang mga sipon at mga samang karamdaman. Lamig-lamig. Kasi nga, talagang panay ang snow dito na. So, ayan, golden brown na siya. Pwede na natin ito hanguin. Pwede na tayo mag-start ngayon sa ating bawang. Ayan. Ilan natin itong ating chicken dyan. Sunod na natin yung ating sibuyas. Bango. Sunod naman natin yung ating celery. Nagdadagdag ko ng bango tsaka aroma. Optional lang ito. Kung gusto nyo naman. Wala, pwede rin naman. At ngayon naman, pwede na natin ibalik yung ating manok. Ayan. Tapos lang natin para mag-incorporate yung lahat ng flavor na naririto sa manok. Ayan, oh. Tapos, pwede na natin itong timplahan ng ating asin. Paminta. Okay. Sunod naman yung ating annatto oil. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, i-mix na natin. Hayaan lang muna natin itong kumulo saglit. Tapos saka natin lalagyan ng tubig. Ganda na ng kulay niya. Ngayon, na-achieve niya yung gusto natin kulay ulit. Ngayon, pwede na natin ito lagyan ng tubig. Lagyan natin ng manigamgam na tubig para mas mabilis siyang kumulo. Ayan, ilubog lang natin yung manok. Pagkatapos ay takpan natin. Wait lang natin itong kumulo ulit. Balikan natin.
Whoa! Mabango, the chef tester is here. It really smells amazing. My papa also just came in and said, "Ooh, masarap, what's smelling so nice?"
Mm-hmm.
Did I eat this one before? I don't remember eating something like that.
No, you ate only the sotanghon gisado, but this one is with soup.
So always something new. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. It reminds me a little bit like of the chicken broth.
A chicken
The
broth,
chicken broth, yes.
Yeah.
It's very nice. And it's surely good for the children also now.
Yeah, because Timmy is really, really very matamlay. We call it matamlay, slow.
No.
Not mere, huh?
It's very nice. I love chicken broth.
Now that you are here, you can add also the other ingredients, Anika.
Okay.
There,
Just
Yeah.
add one after the
This
other.
first, yeah. You can add this one. It's already
Carrot.
almost done. Like carrots.
Carrots. Lenton, masala. And this one is from me. Should I mix it already?
Yeah, you can mix.
Hello, hello.
Halo, halo.
Hello, hello, 19. Super nice color. So, where's the color coming from? Is there like...
It's from the annatto oil. Can you put also the sotanghon before we forgot?
Of course.
Oh, big, no?
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
We will dip it in. Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
Mhm.
The Filipino cuisine always surprises me. Always new dishes. Oh, I hear somebody calling us all.
As of that, everything is okay.
Adam wants
Adam
some
once already. Ayan,
chicken
tatawag na
also.
siya ni Adam na nagising na. I will continue. No problem.
Thank you.
Ooh. Pag kinulang yung sabaw, pwede naman natin dagdagan ulit. Basta warm water lang or hot water para mas madali siyang kumulo ulit. Ngayon naman, antayin na natin maluto konti yung ating sotanghon. Tapos lalagyan na natin yung ating ibang gulay. Ayan, mukhang ready na yung ating sotanghon. Pwede na natin itong isunod yung ating last ingredients. Yung ating cabbage. At yung ating Chinese cabbage. Ayan. Oh, ganda ng kulay. Ngayon naman, dagdagan natin ng warm water, guys, para mas dumami yung sabaw. Ayan. Takpan lang natin, hayaan natin kumulo. Tapos, pwede na natin itong iserve mamaya. Ngayon naman, check natin ulit, guys, kung okay na. Ayun. Tingin ko, okay na to. Pasado na. Ayan, oh. Wow. Pwede nang kainin to din Timmy mamaya pagising niya. Tsaka ni Ella. You can get na asawa ko. Yeah.
Ah, very nice. Thank you, thank you.
While Ella is they woke up. But Timmy,
Yeah.
little bit, no?
Yeah, I hope they will eat.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for cooking us all.
No problem.
I will surely eat later in the night when the kids are sleeping already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, masarap. I like the quail eggs.
Yeah. I'm lucky I found one. Yeah.
Masarap.
Mm-hmm.
There's more quail egg. Quail egg.
So maybe Adam already cried.
Crying already?
Sarap. Sana all.
Sana all.
Mm-hmm. And you can spread the thingy if you like that.
Of course.
Looks
nice.
It look nice. Thank you.
Look at this, guys. Sotanghon soup. First time to see this one actually, and now Aji cooked it for me. A new dish that I didn't know yet. So let's eat. Masarap. I'm excited. Sotanghon.
Timmy, sotanghon soup. Ang smell? Ang bango. Oh, wawa naman ang baby namin. Yeah? Yeah.
They're both not in the mood because they're not so feeling fine.
Yeah.
But I will eat this later in the night. Okay?
Yeah, I will put it there. No problem.
I'm
As long as
excited
we have
for
here
it.
this one, we can eat also tomorrow, the next day. There we go. Kain
Here we go. Magandang gabi guys.
Magandang gabi. Salamat na nakatulog na sila Tini at Ella.
Yes,
O, yun yung pagkain mo.
thank you. Now it's nice time to eat actually.
Mm-hmm.
8:30. Now let's eat. Now it's my time to eat. Now the children are sleeping nicely.
Kanina pa yan siya gutom guys. Long time.
I hope they will sleep long time also.
There's Mama. Hello, Mama.
Hello, can I also take something?
Yeah, you can
Of
take it.
course. Take a try. You want to try also?
Yes, but there.
Okay. Just take.
Your son is ill. You always kiss him.
Mama also late dinner.
Late dinner.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not so late. Like 8:30 is like our normal
Dinner
eating
time?
dinner time before the children. With the children now it's a little bit earlier normal
Yeah.
because they're tired already around 7. But they fell asleep.
Very well,
quickly,
no?
yeah.
Very quick, no? Mostly TV.
I just
Yeah.
pour this one over it, right?
Yeah, this one is
Oh, sorry.
very nice also with the lemon. You can share with Mama the lemon. That's over.
Mama, you want some lemon in your sotanghon soup?
Mama is there.
I'm wondering whether these are peanuts.
Wait, Mama.
Are there
Which one?
peanuts in?
No, I think this is a chicken. But peanuts would also be nice. There's also soup with peanuts, or?
No, we don't have it like
We
that.
don't know. Then it's maybe African. You want some
No,
lemon?
thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy, Mama. Bon appetit.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Looks very nice.
Thank
Smells
you.
very nice.
Thank you.
Tastes also very nice. Lemony.
Shall I put chili?
Later for you, you can put chili.
Actually, guys, naglagay na ako sa fridge ng kakainin nila pag sakaling umalis na ako. Sa freezer pala, sa freezer na. So, ngayon, nag-start na ako. And then, every time na magluluto ako, magtatabi ako sa kanya. I will separate for you and for the kids, so you will never miss my food. What do you think? Good idea?
Love you, thank you.
I love you more.
By the way, guys, regarding the comments from our last video, thank you for commenting, by the way. Some of the comments are very funny.
Yeah, read it in the middle of
Yeah.
the night and it we start laughing.
Yes, we're always reading the comments. It takes us a while,
Yeah,
of
that's why you
course.
put
But
hearts, no?
yes, but we're reading them. And no, Archie's not going back to the Philippines to sell his property. That's not the plan. And there's another matter that he has to take care of. And he would like to buy property there, right?
Property
Yeah,
to
that
buy,
would-
but
that
not
would-
sell.
Not to sell. And we're also not buying property here in Germany yet because it's the price range is way higher.
It's really high. You cannot afford it.
Yeah, we cannot afford it. So it's very
Mahal mga
like kissing the moon. You said,
guy,
right?
yeah, kissing the moon, really. And by the way, some also are saying that I will stay longer in the Philippines again than waiting for my visa.
No, that's not.
Yeah, I already tell to the vlog that, or we already tell to the vlog that I will stay there for about a week only, no? Less than a month. Wala, a week. I mean, 3 weeks.
3
less
weeks.
than a month.
Yeah, don't worry.
Pero babalik din po ako. Sorry guys, wala ako sa camera kasi ang laki ng pimples ko. Siya, wala. Biglang tumubo. Ganito talaga pag in love ka sa asawa mo eh.
You like to hide behind the camera now.
Oo, kitang-kita siya. Oh. Baka sabihin nyo eh, wala.
It's
In
not
love
so
na naman to si Archie sa asawa niya. Ayun. So, yun lang po. Anyway, basta mahalaga ay maiwan ko sila dito na kompleto. May pagkain, complete with food, also necessities na kailangan ng mga bata.
Yeah, and don't worry, we have the flight back already. So
May flight back na po ako. Huwag niyo po akong alalahanin. Huwag niyo po silang alalahanin. Nakaplano na rin po yan matagal na. So, pasensya na po kayo. Siguro hindi niyo na intindihan na maigi yung mga sinabi namin last time. So, yun po. Dami kasi nag-worries. Nakesyo, hindi ko daw gusto magstay dito. Someone said that I don't like to stay here in Germany. My priority is in the Philippines. Hindi po totoo yun. My priority is my family. And also, living with them here is one of my first priority now. Not in the
I love you too.
Philippines, no? I love you more. Yes, pa. Oo, mas na. Awa ng Diyos, sana bukas makain na lang na team ito. Tomorrow. Pati ni Elo, wala silang gana talaga, guys.
Yeah, I hope they will sleep nice. Like last night, they also slept very nice. So
Kaya, kaya hindi rin kami sabay-sabay makakain ng mama and papa and you. We cannot eat together now because of the two kids. They are not yet fully recovered. Ella is okay, but just 10% ubusipon. Only 10%. But Timmy now is coming back.
yeah,
Little
but it
bit.
was also the same with Ella. Like,
Yeah.
like
Ella? Ang Timmy. Ganyan kami guys pag may kumakulos ko sa taas. Si Ella yun. Lowbat kasi yung radio.
yeah, the radio is low, so we need to listen. We left the doors open.
Ito yung radio. Lowbat na baterya.
We're charging.
Very funny. So kailangan namin maging matalas.
But yeah, it was the same with Ella. She also was sick and then got better and then got sick again.
Yeah.
So, but it's actually normal here in Germany to be sick in the winter time. It's like everybody's having a flu now or then, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Everybody's used to it. Just not Archie because he's coming from the Philippines.
So I think guys, we need to say goodbye na. Hayaan na natin kumain si Ani ng payapa. So, mas matakaw kasi siya pag walang camera.
Wanted
Joke
to have
lang.
something also.
No.
Bacon.
So,
Leftovers.
thank you for watching guys. If you have another questions,
Just I don't know
yeah,
comments.
don't hesitate to
Thank you.
make a comment.
Yeah.
And hopefully we will answer also.
Yeah, and otherwise don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and hit the bell button so you don't miss our newest videos.
Yeah. So,
Otherwise, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching and
have a good
goodbye.
night.
Good night.
Yee.